Hey, Copper. Hey, off. No, honey. She's smiling at her, though. Copper, no, no. No, no. Baby! Yeah, baby! Oh, Dad's head.
What's wrong with it?
She's just looking at it. Hi. What you doing up there, pumpkin? Watching Copper.
Should we do a flip? Wow! Copper. That was crazy. That was crazy.
Braylon.
Daddy's
Okay, it's almost nap time, but we wanted to get Braylon on the camera.
What? You want your mini?
Mini time.
There's Minnie.
Said no, I don't want Minnie.
You want Zane the Zebra?
Oh, his name's Zane.
I don't know.
Here, I want to get a close up. Hi, pumpkin. What you doing? Those are your first laughs. Yeah. She's getting you. Whoa. Do you have hiccups now?
Get her?
Yeah.
You see Copper?
Haha.
You want her? Get her.
Arr.
There goes Copper. Crazy Copper.
She sees a squirrel.
Where? Like I can't laugh.
I can't laugh. These hiccups are crazy.